All right, good afternoon. It is April 19th, 2018. This is the 52,000 mile 2006 GMC C7500 Forestry Bucket Truck with the Alltech LRV 55 double over center forestry boom. I'm going to walk around the truck as we discussed, try to show you every single thing. This particular truck, we talked about, one of the things you mentioned, this truck has not been painted. This truck was originally white. We do have numerous trucks that have been painted. Obviously, the bed and the toolboxes aren't the super high quality paint. We didn't paint them, but just they're not a factory paint like the body of the truck is. But these are retired Asplin trucks. You can see where the adhesive was on the white, and just kind of walking around the truck. You've got some dings and dents and things all the way around, just normal wear and tear. Coming around the back, it does have a pintle hitch. Boom's in good shape. Little gouge here in the metal. It does look like the bed has been painted, I guess, really, because it's gotten rid of the adhesive and the fade around from the stickers and things that were on it, but the truck body has not been painted. Wanted to make sure you knew that. Frame's in good shape. Toolboxes are in good shape. Pony motor is right in here. Let's see. Interior of the truck. Little cracks and things. These door panels are hard plastic. Just want to make sure we're accurately describing the truck for you. All right, now we will start up the big motor and let you listen to it run. Very quiet. Smooth. All right, now we're going to cut it off. I'll pop the hood and let you see that. Engine is pretty clean. Walk around the other side. Kind of hard to get in there and see what's going on, but that's the valve cover there. There's your accessory drive with the serpentine belt. It's your power steering gearbox there. And then from the top side, there's your air filter housing, radiator coolant overflow. Let me show you the interior here. Driver's seat's in good shape. There's your headliner, the dash. They do have radio delete, and there's no air conditioners in these trucks. They do that on purpose. They don't want them to have a hard time maintaining temperature at idle, and the air conditioner is just another heat source, so they never have air conditioners on the gas forestry trucks. All right, here's that door panel. All right, now we're going to start up the pony motor and operate the hydraulics. This is the choke and the throttle for the pony motor. All right, now I'll step back and watch the boom fly. Believe it or not, most of us are scared of heights, so got him operating it from the lower controls there. Now that's the rotation right there. He's rotating it. I don't know if you're aware of this, but the rotational function is the one function on a bucket truck that is pretty darn high dollar. And a smooth, quiet, not ratcheting motion with the rotation is key and crucial. Pretty much everything else, like on these booms, is just hydraulic, and it's not, if there were a failure in a cylinder or a hose on these, it's not that big a deal. But just like all bucket trucks, the rotational bearings and the rotational motor is still a big deal. So now he's dumping the bed. Some rubbish in there a little bit there at the front, but floor's in good shape. All right, look over the video. Let me know if you have any questions. We'd love to earn your business. The truck's not perfect, but for what it is, for the age, for everything, we feel that it's in pretty darn good shape. Miles are low. Everything works the way it should. Really, the only thing you can pick it for is just cosmetic, imperfections, normal wear and tear. The functionality of it's 100%. Truck runs and drives great. Transmission shifts smooth. No issues at all. So. All right, look over the video and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.